Let's recreate this look together, and all the products that I'll be featuring in this video, you can shop them at Shedder Beauty Store website. So keep on watching. I'm going to start with skincare prep. Hydration is key when you're doing a full glam matte look. So after my skincare, then I'll go ahead and apply a color corrector. For the color corrector, I'll place it where I have pigmentation on my face. And once I am done with that, I will then go ahead and set it down with a colored translucent powder. The excess of using a colored translucent powder is to set down the part that I color corrected so that when I apply my foundation, it will not shift. And also the colored setting powder will help add more coverage to the skin, and that will help me not to add too much foundation. So after applying my foundation, I use a warm shade at the perimeters of my face, and the inner part I use a lighter shade. Then I went ahead to add bronzer. So bronzer bring life back to the face when you apply your foundation, because foundation flatten the face, so bronzer help to bring life back to the face. Then I went ahead to highlight my face. I first of all applied a blush, and I placed the blush closer to my under eye. Then I use a shade of concealer that is lighter than my actual shade as my first concealing concealer. Then the second one was to brighten my under eyes, to give that really nice white or bright under eyes. Then after that, I went ahead to do my brows. Over to my eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to replicate what I see in that picture. So that picture is giving me a vibe of latte and espresso look. You know that trend? That is what I'm trying to recreate. So I will take my time. When you're doing a soft glam look, especially when you're doing the eyes and you are doing something soft and dramatic at the same time, you need to spend a good amount of time in blending. Blending seamlessly gives that seamless look. For my under eyes, I basically switch between detailing brushes that get into the nook and crannies of my eyes so that I can get that really nice dark under eye lash line look. And I also run the gel liner through my lash line and the upper side just to add depth. And I went ahead to set my face with a setting spray. And afterwards, I did my lips. The first thing I did was to apply a brown lip pencil. Then I also went in with a lipstick that is brown shade. Then I mixed two nude shades of lipstick together, and that is what I did. And I also apply a clear gloss on top of that. Then to achieve that super bright under eyes, I went back into my mineralized powder to set my under eyes really well, to give me that really nice under eye brightness. And that is it. It looks really beautiful. It looks really glam. And don't forget that this is a full glam, soft glam makeup look. So if you're trying to achieve this, your hydration is very, very, very important. Make sure you hydrate your skin really, really well before going ahead to do that, because this is a matte look. And let me basically know what you all think down in the comment section. Would you like me to recreate another look? Leave it down in the comment section. Bye.